Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and today I'm going to guide you on how you can fill out the Doordash application to actually register as a home restaurant. So first things first guys, what I want you to do is I want you to visit the Doordash merchant portal, okay, at doordash.com/merchant. So basically guys, what you're going to do is you want to click on sign up now, and you want to enter your basic details like your name, your email, and your phone number. And you want to make sure guys that the email that you have put in is the one you check often, because DoorDash will actually send you important updates on this email. And next guys, what I need you to do is I need you to fill in your restaurant's information. Just enter your restaurant's name, which can reflect your home-based business. Then guys, I need you to input your home address as your restaurant's location. Guys, don't worry, DoorDash supports home-based kitchens as long as you meet the local regulations. And under the menu section, what I need you to do is I need you to upload a clear list of your dishes with accurate pricing and high quality photos if possible. This will actually make your listing more appealing to customers. And after that, guys, you will need to enter your taxpayer identification details and bank information to ensure that you actually get paid. You want to make sure to double check these fields for accuracy. And then finally, guys, you need to review and submit your application. And DoorDash may reach out for additional verifications. Just keep an eye out on your email. And once approved, guys, you'll be ready to accept orders and start sharing your amazing food. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys next time.